You've heard the myths. You've seen the Hollywood scenes. You've listened to the stories. But today, we're breaking down the truth about the hymen, what it is, what it isn't, and why everything you think you know about losing virginity is probably wrong. Welcome to Broken Hymen, myths, facts, and scientific insights. Let's get into it. What is the hymen? The hymen, medically called the vaginal corona, is a thin, stretchy piece of tissue that partially covers the vaginal opening. It forms during fetal development and, fun fact, no two hymens look exactly alike. Some are thicker, some are thinner, and some barely exist at all. Types of hymens. Here are the medically recognized variations. Annular hymen, ring-shaped. Crescentic hymen, half-moon shape. Septate hymen, has a strip of tissue dividing the opening. Microperforate hymen, opening is very small. Imperforate hymen, no opening at all. Requires surgery. The differences are completely normal. Your hymen is as unique as your fingerprint. Does the hymen have a purpose? Science suggests it may have protected infants from infections, but beyond childhood, it has no reproductive, sexual, or purity-related function. The hymen is anatomy. The truth about breaking the hymen. Here's where Hollywood gets it all wrong. The hymen doesn't pop. It doesn't break like plastic. It stretches. It may tear slightly, and small tears can heal, but the hymen does not grow back. It's flexible tissue, not a sealed container. What causes hymenal changes? The hymen can stretch or tear from sports, cycling, horseback riding, tampons, medical exams, masturbation, any form of penetration. It does not take sex to change the hymen. Does every woman bleed? Short answer, no. Only about 43% bleed during first intercourse. Why? Bleeding usually comes from lack of lubrication, tension, rushed penetration, not the hymen itself. So the idea that bleeding equals virginity is medically false. The virginity myth. Cultures have used hymen inspections to judge purity. Science has proven this to be completely invalid. The WHO calls virginity tests a violation of human rights. Virginity is a social concept, not a medical condition. Can the hymen be restored? Hymenoplasty exists, but it cannot restore virginity. It only reconstructs tissue. Virginity is behavior, not a body part. ACOG warns against the procedure for moral evaluation. Pain, bleeding, and what really happens. 3 main factors affect first-time penetration. 1. Anxiety and muscle tension. If you're nervous, the pelvic muscles tighten. Penetration becomes harder and painful. 2. Inadequate lubrication. Dryness increases friction, discomfort, or micro-tears. 3. Vaginal elasticity. The vagina is elastic and expands naturally, but needs time, arousal, and comfort. Now, why it can take days or multiple tries to lose virginity. Hollywood would have you believe that first-time sex is instant, smooth, passionate, perfectly choreographed and successful in 5 seconds. Reality? Not even close. Here's why it can take days or multiple attempts for comfortable penetration. Reason 1. The body isn't a movie script. If the person is anxious, their vaginal muscles contract. You can't force your way in. The body simply won't allow it. Reason 2. Lack of lubrication. Movies skip foreplay. Real bodies do not. Without proper lubrication, penetration can be painful or impossible. Reason 3. The hymen might be flexible but still tight. Some hymens stretch easily, others take more time. Both are normal. Reason 4. Trust plus relaxation take time. Penetration requires relaxation. If the partner is scared, tense, or overthinking, the muscles close up, literally. Reason 5. The first time is awkward. It's not elegant. It's not red carpet ready. It's 2 humans figuring out anatomy. Reason 6. Pain is a sign to slow down, not push through. Healthy first-time sex sometimes requires breaks, adjusting positions, trying again the next day, or stopping completely. This is normal. Hollywood just edits it out. How to know if your hymen has changed. Here's no universal sign. Some changes are visible, many aren't, and you cannot determine sexual history from hymen appearance. How to check your hymen. Use a mirror, sit comfortably, gently separate the labia and observe. But if anything hurts, stop. And remember, a gynecologist can provide a proper evaluation without judgment. Finally, the hymen is a naturally varying part of anatomy, not a measure of purity. Understanding its biological role and debunking myths promotes sexual health awareness. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs real science, not outdated myths.